Hey guys, welcome back. I'm happy you're here. It's going to be a chill video today. I know the last one I did was a little intense with the glitter French. If you missed that video, I'll put it up here on the cards for you guys. On my right hand, I'm going to be doing something fun. It's nothing serious, nothing crazy, nothing you really haven't seen before, but I haven't played around with one of my favorite dip powders ever, Panda Dips Storm Clouds, and I have been in a mood lately. I don't know why, but my mood lately, I'm like really rushing into fall. I'm feeling like dark and matte nails. It's just a mood that I'm in. I don't know why. So I'm going to play around with my Panda Dips. I'm going to make it matte later on. And you know what? My backyard has kind of sprung with all these flowers on my nail trees. The trees I like to take all my nail photos with, outside. And I was inspired by this tree with the gorgeous lavender flowers. I have no idea what kind of tree it is. Couldn't tell you. But I was inspired to do like a floral type mani. So I'm going to use some foils a little bit later. I'm going to kind of cruise through this application because this video is really more about the foily type stuff than the dip process type stuff. If you need a good dip process video, I'll make sure to leave a good one up here for you guys. At least I think it's a good one. I'm a little biased, they're my videos, but it's like a beginner friendly step-by-step kind of tutorial for you if you're new here. Speaking of which, if you are new, hi, hello, I am Marlakris. This is what I do, mostly dip nails. I'm getting more into gels. I've played a little bit with polygel. I really love all things nails. I don't discriminate. If it can go on my nail, I'm probably going to use it. So if you're into that, definitely consider subscribing. I'd love to have you as part of the Mani fam. And if you like this video, do consider giving me a thumbs up so I know you liked it and I can create more content like this for you. So I'm going to cruise through, like I said, the application. You're only going to see one dip of the storm clouds, and then you'll see me encapsulate and clear. I'm not trying to take away from the actual dip process, but I know you guys have seen it a million times. I really wanted to get to the fun stuff, which is the foils. And it's crazy because like I'm touching my nails right now. Sounds so dirty, but I am. I'm like rubbing them. That's dirtier. And you would never believe that I have any kind of anything on my nails. They're so smooth and soft. I love the Modelones Matte top coat. I'm obsessed. I don't know why I'm in a matte mood. I'm in a matte mood. So I'm going to let you guys watch. Going to finish up this real quick. I'm going to get into the clear encapsulation, and I'll be back with you guys in just a bit. And clear. I did go ahead and use my Mia Secret clear acrylic just because the Panda Dip Storm Clouds is pretty pigmented, and I didn't want to risk contaminating like my good iGel clear with the gray color. So I just grabbed the Mia Secret. It was on my nail desk anyway, as it tends to live. So I'm going to go ahead and activate. I am using my Virgo and Gem liquids in case you guys were curious, and per usual, everything that I use will be linked in the description box below as long as I can find it. I'm pretty sure I know the foils were from Amazon. I bought them a long time ago. Oh, how are you guys feeling about this whole no buy July that I'm doing? Are you into it? Have you jumped on my bandwagon yet? Every video that I'm doing this month in July, in case you missed the memo, will be products I already have, just using them in some different ways, or just playing around for the heck of it, because it's nails and it should be fun and playful. It doesn't always have to be so serious. And you know, you guys reach out to me all the time and I love it. I absolutely love chatting with you guys, helping you out whenever I can, but it breaks my heart sometimes because some of you guys email me or DM me and you just sound so lost and so conflicted about what you're doing on your nails. And I'm like, I understand, I really do, because this is something you want to do for yourself. It's your self-care and I love that. But it's just nails and you can redo them if you want to. You can have fun with your nails. It's not something to be stressed out about. It's supposed to be a stress reliever, you know? So my only words of wisdom about that is just have fun. Just don't overthink it. Just have fun, relax, do your nails with a glass of wine if you need to, just to take the edge off, as I do occasionally, especially in my lives. I know some of you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that because I hate hearing the Manny fam being upset over something. It kills me. So just relax. This is fun. This is fun stuff. So I am doing my normal filing routine. I know you guys heard me mention that the filing video is coming. It is. I promise. Next week, y'all will see it. I can't prepare you for it, but you'll see it. So I'm going to go ahead and get my file on. E-filing did take me a little bit longer than normal, not because there's anything wrong with the products. You know me. I love the Virgo and Gem liquids. I love Panda Dips. But my non-dominant hand was special. I don't know if it's like the weather. Maybe I'm getting old. I don't know, but e-filing definitely took me a little bit longer than normal. So maybe you guys will like it. Maybe you'll enjoy it. You can fast forward it if you want. I might start leaving timestamps in the description box so you can fast forward some stuff if you don't want to see it. But I'm going to let you guys veg out, have a zen moment, watch me e-file, and I'll be back with you guys for some foils. So to cut out a little bit of the e-filing, it was like super long and I just didn't want to bore y'all to death. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to dehydrate. I'm not activating my nails again. This is Dehydrator. It's from Triple Vitamin. I believe it only comes in the set. I could be wrong. I'll try to find out for you. I'm going to dehydrate just because I want to remove any oils that will prevent my polish, my gel polish, my foil gel stuff from adhering properly. So I'm going to grab my Macart foil adhesive stuff. You don't have to use gel products. I will leave links in the description box both for the Macart gel foil adhesive and a non-gel adhesive. You probably could use a couple of other things. You might be able to get away with like regular polished top coat or even your dip liquid, but you have to time it out just right so that it's tacky but not smudgeable. I don't know. I'd play it safe and use the foil adhesive stuff. I'll leave them down below for you guys. So originally, I started this whole mani with the notion that I was going to do 1 or maybe 2 accent nails. And as you can see, all I do is apply the foil adhesive and then grab my foil, stick it right down on my nail where I want it, and then I make sure I rub it in real good to make sure that the foil is sticking the way it's supposed to be. So I'm just applying a little bit of pressure. There are tools you can use. There are silicone like rubby things. I don't know. I use my fingers for a lot of stuff that I'm probably not supposed to, but I do. Sue me. It's my channel. Anyway, so I did start off with the 1 or maybe 2 accent nails, and I loved this color combo together so much, the gray and the purple. And wait till you see it matte, it's ridiculous. I loved it so much. I did it on all my nails. And I'm not even sorry. I love it. Love it to pieces. So literally all I'm doing is I put on the gel foil adhesive, I cure it for 30 seconds per the instructions, and then I put on the foil. So as you can see, I do like to pre-choose which, foils I want on my nails. So I just make sure I have them laid out ahead of time, and then I'm off to the races. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me apply a couple of more foils. I'm not gonna show you the entire thing because it's pretty much the same thing over and over again. I'm gonna let you watch 1 or 2 more. Then I will come back for top coat and some final thoughts. So stick around and I will be So I went ahead and finished my entire hand. I am absolutely obsessed. They look great, glossy, but wait till you see them matte. I don't know why. Are you guys matte girls or are you glossy girls? Or does it depend on your mood? I'm dying to know. For me, it's definitely mood related. I don't know how or why, but sometimes I'm like, I just want matte nails. And I think it's a combination of how they look, because I love the way matte nails look, especially dark manis, but I love the way they feel too. I'm such a weirdo, just sitting here literally, as I'm doing this voiceover, rubbing my nails like a crazy person. I'm using the Modelones Matte Gel Top Coat. You could use, I know there are some matte regular polishes. I have used one by OPI, and actually I really enjoyed it. I'm always going to be a gel polish type girl, like gel top coat lady. But if you don't get down with the gel for one reason or another, and you want a matte look, you can do it one of two ways. Well, for this mani, you would have to use the OPI or another kind of matte polish top coat. For a regular mani without foils or anything on top of it, you could just buff your nails real well before you would do like your dip top coat, and then stop. Just skip the top coat altogether, and boom, you've got matte mani. Or like I said, you can use gel polish. I am officially, I believe, a Modelones affiliate as of right now. So I will leave a discount code for Modelones down in the description box. You will see reviews of a whole bunch of Modelones stuff. They sent me a giant box of goodies. I'm super excited to try them. I'll be doing 2 videos in August, since No Buy July is, I mean, I didn't buy it, but I don't want to try any new products. I don't want to do any reviews because it's No Buy July. But in August, I do have 2 videos planned for Modelones Dip Kit. I know that's been highly requested, and some other Modelones polishes. So you can look forward to that. What I'm doing right now, in case you missed it, I did cure like one nail at a time just because I like seeing it turn matte. But when I was doing that, I was covering my gel polish to make sure it didn't cure because it was in front of my lamp. If you guys have ever had gel polish that got like hard or crunchy or gooey on you, it's probably because it was sitting too close to your light. So anyway, here is the finished look. I am obsessed. These nails are stunning. I love them. I love them so much. It's manis like this that make me hate my job sometimes because I have to take them off in like 3 days. I'm gonna go cry in a corner. I know, poor me. I'm gonna finish off my mani like I always do with my Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil. I am in love, not just with the oil, with the mani, with the whole thing. This was a good mani day. They're not all 10s. This one I loved. I loved with my whole heart. What do you guys think? Shoot it to me straight. Have you guys tried foils yet? I know a lot of you send me pictures on Instagram, and a lot of you have gotten really into foils, which I'm so excited about, like the artistic possibilities with all this new stuff like foils and glitters and chromes. Possibilities are absolutely endless, and I love every minute of it. So you guys are gonna have to let me know if you're down with the foils, if you've tried them, if you want to try them. Don't forget to check the description box for all the discount stuff and links. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in my next vid. Love you, bye.